I may have potentially bought the best keyboard in the world. Let's unbox it. So just having the first look, just having the first look, this looks amazing. Everything's in place. It tells you the instructions and all that. And this is what it looks like in the dark. I even put the attachment on it on the side, as you can see there. But the RGB looks amazing. And now for the sound test. Let me know what you'd rate this 1 out of 10 in the comments. But if you didn't know,